Hello and welcome. If you're applying for jobs but not hearing back, this video is for you. Today, I'll explain what a job application really is and walk you through smart, practical tips to apply effectively whether you're a fresher or a working professional. Let's get started. Point 1. What is a job application? So, first, what exactly is a job application? It's a formal way of telling an employer, I'm interested in this role and here's why I'm a good fit. It usually includes your resume or CV, personal details, work experience, education, skills, and sometimes answers to specific questions like, why do you want this job? Some companies may also ask for a cover letter or even portfolio samples, depending on the role. Point 2. How to apply for a job. Step by step. Step 1. Focus on your field. Instead of applying randomly, focus your job search on roles that align with your skills, interests, and career goals. For example, if you're a marketing graduate, don't waste time applying to unrelated admin jobs just because they're available. Step 2. Use trusted platforms. Use websites like Naukri.com, LinkedIn, and company career pages. Most companies post openings there first. Set up job alerts with filters like location, experience level, and salary, so you only get relevant updates. Step 3. Update and tailor your resume. This is very important. Your resume should be updated with your most recent experience or education, customized to highlight skills mentioned in the job description. Don't just use the same resume for every role. Tweak your summary, skills, and keywords for each application. Step 4. Decide on a cover letter. If the job requires a cover letter, or even if it's optional, include one. It helps introduce you and explain why you're applying. Keep it short, relevant, and personalized to the company. Step 5. Submit with care. Carefully follow the employer's instructions, whether it's uploading documents or filling out a form. Double check that all required fields are filled, and your documents are named clearly and professionally. Point 3. Common mistakes to avoid. Submitting without proofreading. One small typo can make a bad impression. Use grammar tools or ask someone you trust to review your application before you hit send. Copy-pasting the same resume everywhere. Recruiters notice when your application feels generic. Customize it, ignoring follow-up. If you haven't heard back in 10-14 days, it's okay to send a polite follow-up email showing your continued interest. Waiting for one response. Apply to multiple jobs consistently. The more tailored applications you send, the better your chances. Point 4. Bonus tips for job seekers. Build your network. Connect with employees on LinkedIn. Ask for short chats or guidance. It gives you insider info and sometimes referrals. Clean up your social media. Employers check your digital footprint. Make sure your online presence is professional. Track your applications. Use a spreadsheet or tool to track job titles, application dates, follow-ups, and interview stages. It helps you stay organized. Keep improving. Update your resume, gather feedback, and keep learning new skills, especially if you're not getting responses. So, job applications are not just about clicking apply now. It's about presenting your best self, tailored for each opportunity. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who's job hunting. And don't forget to subscribe for more career tips every week. Thanks for watching and all the best in your job search.